We are hands-on in the lab learning about machine tools and process. We're also in the classroom learning about design theory and engineering practice.
It's honestly insane how much we're able to do in there due to like all of the support from the teacher and the equipment that we have in there. Getting the experience hands-on and being able to work on the things that you're theorizing about really puts EST apart from every other class I've taken.
Engineer, mechanical, aeronautic, electric, all the way over to machinist, programmer, operator.
I designed this in Fusion 360 program that we actually teach here at EST. I machined this Geneva wheel mechanism. You can learn all of this through the engineering program.
We're going to talk about how to behave in the workplace, how to carry yourself outside of school, how to be a creative problem solver. And they're going to use that for the rest of their life.